14 most repeated topics that has been repeated in last 15 years, right, from 2011 to 2025. And here the total number of questions that has been asked from particular topics, right? So first is political theory. Under this, generally Western thinkers, Indian thinkers, Western political thinkers, Indian political thinkers, right? Apart from that, political or concepts like liberty, equality, secularism, constitutionalism, federalism, right, and various concepts are being asked, right? Mostly conceptual questions are asked from this topic, right? So in total, in last 15 years, 20 questions have been asked from this topic. Next topic is salient features of Indian political system and constitution, right? Again, conceptual based questions, and in total, in last 15 years, 26 questions have been asked from this topic. Next is preamble. Again, very important topic. And again, this year, preamble is very important, right? Making of constitution, basic structure, doctrine. In total, 9 questions have been asked from this topic. Next topic is fundamental rights. Very important topic, right? Every year, you will find 1 or 2 questions from this topic. And again, this for this year, articles like 15, 16, 19, 21, 20, 22, 25 to 28 are very important for 2026, right? So in total, in last 15 years, 17 questions have been asked from this topic, means fundamental rights only. Next is DPSP plus fundamental duties, right? Mostly you will see that questions are integrated with both these topics, right? And in total, 17 questions have been asked from these two topics combinedly. Next is very favorite topic of UPSC, that is president, vice president and governor, right? And mostly because of center and state related tussles, right, conflicts. So in total, 11 number of questions are asked, right, from this topic. Next, prime minister, council of ministers, ministers, secretariat. So combinedly, these are part of executive, right? And you can see from executive topic, 22 questions are there in last 15 years. Next is union and state legislature. Again, very favorite topic of UPSC. Parliament topic, very favorite topic of UPSC. Every year you will find 2 to 3 questions, right? At least 2 to 3 questions from this topic, right? And in last 15 years, maximum number of questions have been asked from this topic, and in total 41 questions have been asked from this topic only.